Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add people to your YouTube channel, or how to invite people to your YouTube channel, or how to add a manager or owner to your YouTube channel, and how to accept the invitations. So friends, at first you have to go to the profile icon. Just click on your profile icon and then click settings icon. Now under account settings, you will find an option choose manager. This is choose manager, and now here you have to click on add or remove manager. And now click manage permissions. If it fails, just click again manage permissions. Now here you will able to see the name of the owner and its role. See, this is a single user and he is primary owner. Now to add an account or add a manager, simply click add new user button. Now to add a new user, you have to click on add names or email address. You have to type the email address of the person whom you want to add as a new user, and after that you have to select the role. You can add multiple users to your YouTube channel. Now select the role. You can add as a owner or add as a manager. You can assign the role as per your choice. And after that click invite button. Once you click invite button, you will see the list of the managers or owners or primary owners here. Now you have to click on done button. Now the invited people will have to log in to their email ID to accept the invitation, and just refresh the email again. And check the invitations in the updates or primary email also. See, in the updates I am not getting any kind of invitations, and in the primary also I am not getting any kind of invitations. Since you are not getting any kind of invitations in your email, then how could you accept the invitations? Now you have to open myaccount.google.com/brand accounts. See the URL which I am going to open, and this is the URL myaccount.google.com/brand accounts. Now you will see here pending invitations. See here pending invitations. Now you have to open pending invitations. In my case I have 2 invitations is pending. Now to accept the invitations, you have to open it. Now let me accept the another invitations which I have got for the channel gamer Ayana. Click accept. Now log into your YouTube channel and then click profile icon and then click switch accounts, and then you will able to see the channels. So friends, in this way you can invite people to your YouTube channel and also accept the invitations. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.